Exploring geometrical figures. Introduction. We come across various concepts of geometry in our daily life. There are objects and actions that have direct and indirect connection with geometry. These objects or actions have geometrical properties and applications. Now we can see some examples. Congruency. Congruency of shapes. Figures with same size and shape are called congruent figures, or we said that shapes are congruent if they have same shape and size. Example: audio CDs, postcards. Flip. Flip is a transformation in which a plane figure is flipped or reflected across a line, creating a mirror image of the original figure. Rotation. Rotation means turning around a center. The distance from the center to any point on the shape stays the same. Every point makes a circle around the center. A full rotation is 360 degrees. If two shapes are congruent, still they remain congruent if they are moved or rotated. The shapes would also remain congruent if we reflect the shapes by producing their mirror images. We use the symbol to represent congruency. Congruency in line segments. Two line segments are congruent if they have same length. Congruency in angles. Two angles are congruent if they have same measure. Congruency in triangles. Two triangles are congruent if all the pairs of corresponding sides are equal or corresponding angles are equal. Congruency in squares. Two squares are congruent if the edges must coincide with each other. Congruency in polygons. Two polygons are congruent if their corresponding sides are equal and corresponding angles are equal. Similar shapes. Shapes are said to be similar if they have same shape but in different size. Application of similar shapes. Engineers draw elevation plans similar to the building to be constructed. Diagrams of science apparatus and maps in social studies you have come across are in proportion, that is, similar to the original objects. Problem. Jagdish tried to estimate the height of a tree by covering the height with a vertical scale, holding it at a distance of 1 meter from the tree and draw the figure as shown. If scale measurement of the tree is 85 centimeters and distance of the tree from him is 15 meters, find the actual height of the tree. Solution. From the figure, triangle OAB is congruent to triangle OCD. Corresponding sides of two similar triangles are in proportion. OA by OC equal to AB by CD equal to OB by OD. 1 by 15 equal to 0.85 by CD. Therefore, CD is equal to 0.85 into 15 equal to 12.75 meters. Therefore, height of the tree equal to 12.75 meters. Dilations. The method of drawing enlarged or reduced similar figures is called dilation. Symmetry. Symmetry is of three types, namely line symmetry, rotational symmetry, and point symmetry. Line symmetry. The line which cuts the figures exactly into two halves is called line symmetry or axis symmetry. Some figures may have more than one line of symmetry. Rotational symmetry. With rotational symmetry, the figure is rotated around a central point so that it appears two or more times same as original. The number of times for which it appears the same is called the order. Point symmetry. When a figure looks the same, either you see it from upside or from downside, that is, from any two opposite directions, then it is called point symmetry. We also observe some letters of English alphabet have point symmetry too. Example: capital X, capital H, capital I, capital S, capital N, capital Z. Applications of symmetry. Most of the machine-made products are symmetric. Tessellations. The patterns formed by repeating figures to fill a plane without gaps or overlaps are called tessellations. This enhances the beauty of the diagrams. The basic shapes used to draw tessellations are pentagon, rectangle, square, and equilateral triangle.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.